Find the all common tangents of the circles x square plus y square plus 4x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0 and x square plus y square minus 4x minus 2y plus 4 equal to 0. Now solution. Given circles are x square plus y square plus 4x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0, x square plus y square minus 4x minus 2y plus 4 equal to 0. You should find centers. Comparing with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. 2g equal to 4, 2f equal to 2, c equal to minus 4. 2 cancel 1. G is equal to 2, comma f is equal to 1. C value is minus 4. Here 2g dash is equal to minus 4. G dash is equal to minus 2. 2f dash is equal to minus 2. F dash is equal to minus 1. 2 to get cancelled. C is equal to 4. C dash is equal to 4. Okay. Center C1 is equal to minus G comma minus F. G is equal to 2, minus G is equal to minus 2. F is equal to 1, minus F is equal to minus 1. Okay. Radius R1 equal to under root of G square plus F square. 2 square is 4, F square is 1, 1 square is 1, minus of minus 4. This can be written as 4 plus 1 plus 4, that is root 9. R1 is equal to 3. Center C1 equal to minus 2 comma minus 1. R1 is equal to 3. Okay. Similarly here C2 equal to minus G dash comma minus F dash. G dash is equal to minus 2 minus G dash is equal to plus 2. F dash is equal to minus 1 minus F dash is equal to 1. Okay, R2 equal to G dash square minus 2 whole square is 4. F dash square minus 1 whole square is 1. G square plus F square minus of C dash value 4. Minus C plus 4 minus 4 cancel. R2 equal to 1. C1 equal to minus 2 comma minus 1. C2 equal to 2 comma 1. R1 equal to 3. R2 equal to 4. Okay, first you have to find C1 C distance between the centers. C1 C2 equal to under root of minus x1 y1 x2 y2 x1 minus x2 minus 2 whole square plus y1 minus 1 minus y2 is y1 whole square, that is under root of minus 4 whole square plus minus 2 whole square. C1 C2 is equal to root over 16 plus 4 minus 4 whole square, minus into minus plus 4 square is 16, minus square is plus 2 square is 4, root 20 comma R1 plus R2 equal to 3 plus 1, that is 4. This is root 16 equal to 4. C1 C2 equal to root 20. R1 plus R2 equal to root 16. C1 C2 is greater than R1 plus R2. Therefore, given circles are do not touch each other. Each other. One is exterior than other. Here, two direct common tangents, two transfer common tangents. P is the external point. P divides C1 C2 bar in the ratio R1 is to R2 externally. C1 minus 2 comma minus 1, C2 2 comma 1. This is the P. R1 is to R2, 3 is to 1. Okay. P is equal to 3 into 2, 6 minus 1 into minus 2 by 3 minus 1. 3 into 1, 3 minus 1 into minus 1 by 3 minus 1. Minus into minus plus 6 plus 2 by 2 minus into minus plus 3 plus 1 by 2. P is equal to 8 by 2 comma 4 by 2. 4, 2. P is 4 comma 2. Okay. The direct common tangent passing through the point P with slope m. The tangent passes through 4 comma 2 with slope m is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. This is x1 y1. Y minus 2 equal to m into x minus 4. This is equation number 1. This can be written as m into x mx plus y taking the right side minus y, m into minus 4 minus 4m, minus 2 taking right side plus 2 equal to 0. This is the equation of the common tangent. Okay, the equation of the perpendicular distance, this is the perpendicular distance. The perpendicular distance from C2 to the line mx minus y minus 4m plus 2 equal to 0. The perpendicular distance from C2, center C2 to the line this, that is equal to radius R2. R2 is equal to the perpendicular distance from C2 2 comma 1 to the line equation number 1. R2 equal the perpendicular distance from center C to 2 comma 1. This is x1 y1. R2 means 1. Okay. mx1 minus y1 plus 2 minus 4m by under root of coefficient of x square plus coefficient of x square. x1 y1 value substitute in these two places. 1 is equal to mod m into 2 minus 1 plus 2 minus 4m by root over 1 plus m square. That implies 1 plus m square taking left side, 1 into 1 plus m square, root of 1 plus m square, root of 1 plus m square, minus 4m plus 2m, minus 4m, 2 minus 2m, minus 4m plus 2m is minus 2m, 2 minus 1 is 1 minus 2m, 2 minus 1 is 1, minus 4 plus 2, minus 2, squaring on both sides. 1 plus m root square cancel, 1 plus m square equal 1 minus 2m whole square. Okay, this can be written as 1 plus m square a minus b whole square form, 1 plus 4m square minus 4m. This can be written as 4m square minus m square, 1 1 cancel, minus 4m equal to 0, implies 3m square minus 4m equal to 0 implies m is common, 3m minus 4 equal to 0. m equal to 0, 3m minus 4 equal to 0. This implies 3m is equal to 4, m is equal to 4 by 3. m values 2 is there here, m equal to 0, m equal to 4 by 3. m is equal to 0, substitute in equation number 1. Okay, 1 implies y minus 2 is equal to m value 0 into x minus 1. Sorry, x minus 4. Okay, y minus 2 equal to m into x minus 4. This can be written as y minus 2 into 0 into something 0. This is the one direct common tangents. Now case 2, m is equal to 4 by 3. Substitute in equation number 1. 1 implies y minus 2 equal to 4 by 3 into x minus 4. This can be written as 3 taking this side, 3 into y minus 2, 4 into x minus 4. That implies 3y, 3 into y, 3y, 3 into minus 2, minus 6, 4 into x, 4x, 4 into 4, 16. These two terms taking right side, 4x minus 3y minus 16 plus 6 equal to 0. 4x minus 3y minus 10 equal minus 16 plus 6 is minus 10. This is the another direct common tangents. Therefore, the direct common tangents are y minus 2 equal to 0, 4x minus 3y minus 10 equal to 0. Next, we can find transfer common tangents. These two are transfer common tangents. Q divides C1 C2 bar in the ratio R1 is to R2 internally. Q divides C1 C2 bar in the ratio R1 is to R2 internally. Okay, C1 C2. C1 is minus 2 comma minus 1. C2 is 2 comma 1. Q 3 is to 1. Q is equal to internally 3 into 2 6 plus 1 into minus 2 by 3 plus 1. Next 3 into 1 3 plus 1 into minus 1 minus 1 by 3 plus 1. 6 plus into minus minus 6 minus 2 by 4 plus into minus minus 3 minus 1 by 4. Q is equal to 4 by 4 comma 2 by 4. Here 1 by 2. Q is 1 comma 1 by 2. Okay. Q divides C1 C2 bar in the ratio R1 star to internally. You can get Q is 1 comma 1 by 2. Okay. The common tangent passes through the point Q with the slope M. The transfer common tangent means transfer common tangent. The transverse common tangent, the common tangent passes through 1 comma 1 by 2 with the slope M is y minus y1 value. This is x1 y1. y1 value is 1 by 2 equal to m into x minus x1 1. That implies 2y minus 1 by 2. Here LCM 2 into y 2y minus 1 m into x minus 1. 2 taking right side, 2y minus 1 equal to 2m into x minus 1. That implies 2y minus 1 equal to 2mx minus 2m. These two times taking right side, 2m. This is equation number 2. Okay, 2y minus 2mx minus 2y minus 1 taking this side plus 1 minus 2m equal to 0. Okay, this is the tangent. The perpendicular distance from C2 to the line 2mx minus 2y plus 1 minus 2m equal to 0, that is equal to R2. The perpendicular distance from C2 is 2 comma 1 to the line equation number 2, that is equal to R2. R2 value is 1. 2m into x place you can substitute x1, this is y1. x1 y1 value in this place we can substitute 2m into 2 minus 2 into 1 plus 1 minus 2m by root over 2m whole square is 4m square plus 4 is equal to 1. That implies 4m minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1 minus 2 minus 2m by in this root 4 common m square plus 1 is equal to 1. This implies 4m minus 2m is 2m minus 1 by root 4 is 2 root of m square plus 1 is equal to 1. This taking right side, 2m minus 1 mod 2m minus 1 equal to 2 into under root of 1 plus m square. Squaring on both sides, 2m minus 1 whole square is equal to 4 into 1 plus m square. This is a minus b whole square form. 4m square plus 1 minus 4m. 4, 1 into 4, 4 plus 4m square. 4m square cancelled. Okay, here 1 minus 3 is 1 minus 4 is equal to 4m, which implies minus 3 equal to 4m, minus 3 by 4 equal to m. Here m is cancelled. Okay, for m square is cancelled. M value is 4 by 3. This value substitute in equation number 1. Equation number 1 can be written as 2 implies y minus equation number 2. Y minus 1 by 2 comma y minus 1 by 2 into 1 y minus 1 by 2 equal to m into x minus 1. Okay, m value is minus 3 by 4. Y minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 3 by 4 into x minus 1. Here m value is minus 3 by 4, substitute in y plus m plus. Okay, 4 taking this side. 4 into y minus 1 by 2 equal to minus 3 into x minus 1. 4 into, here LCM 2, 2y minus 1 minus 3x plus 3. 2 times cancelled. Okay, 4, 2 into 2, 4y minus 2 is equal to minus 3x plus 3. These two terms taking left side, 3x plus 4y minus 2 minus 3 equal to 0. 3x plus 4y minus 5 equal to 0. This is the one of the transfer common tangents. Here m value is only one value is there, so another value is you have to take, that is the vertical line. So m is equal to 1 by 0. This is the condition. M is equal to 1 by 0. M is equal to 1 by 0. Substitute in equation number 1. Okay, 1 implies y minus 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 0 into x minus 1. 0 taking this side, 0 into y minus 1 by 2 equal to 1 into x minus 1. 0 into something 0. 0 is equal to x minus 1. That implies x minus 1 equal to 0. Both side m 4m square cancelled. You have to take only one m value. So another transfer common tangent is the vertical line. Vertical line slope is actually not defined. Not defined means m is equal to 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is infinitive. So m equal to 1 by 0, substitute in this place. 0 taking this side. 0 into something 0. X minus 1 equal to 0. X equal to 1. Therefore, the transverse common tangents are x minus 1 equal to 0 comma 3x plus 4y minus 5 equal to 0. Okay, in previous section direct common tangents. In this section transfer common tangents. That's enough.